Most people get this wrong. They think consignment software is complicated or only for large businesses. But the surprising truth about Simple Consign is that it's designed to make managing consignment stores easy for anyone. Simple Consign is a cloud-based consignment management platform that helps stores track inventory, sales, payments, and consignor accounts. In my experience using the software, the setup was straightforward. You can import existing inventory, set up consignor profiles, and start processing sales within hours. The software provides features like barcode scanning, reporting dashboards, and automated payment tracking. One feature I particularly like was the consignor statement generation. It saves time and ensures accuracy when paying consignors. For multi-location stores, Simple Consign syncs data across locations, making management simple and centralized. The surprising truth is that Simple Consign works for both small boutiques and larger consignment operations. Its pricing scales with your store size, so small shops aren't burdened with the necessary costs, while larger stores get advanced reporting and integration features. A minor downside is that some advanced integrations, like accounting software or e-commerce platforms, may require additional setup or subscriptions. But for everyday consignment management, the platform covers all essential needs. In conclusion, Simple Consign is a reliable, user-friendly solution for managing consignment stores. It saves time, reduces errors, and helps store owners focus on growing their business rather than managing spreadsheets. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business and retail software to help you make smarter operational decisions.